Devnagundi BP, being the largest BP of Indian Oil, has need of processing 300 plus trucks every day. We have designed the S&D automation system to effectively manage the movement of the filled and empty cylinder trucks along with the bulk LPG tanks, and also provided the live dashboard to track the trucks at different stages of the operation. S&D automation system is integrated with SAP. All the trucks are registered in iSAP system with the existing vehicle FASTags. FASTag readers are arranged at all the gates to identify the vehicles. At parking in, iSAP will contact the SAP system to check the vehicle license information and opens the boom barriers if the license information is valid. Parking security is provided with the parking area console to know about the license expiry information. Boom barriers will not open for unauthorized vehicles. Invalid licensed vehicle drivers will contact the S&D to renewal their license information in SAP. Readiness poles are arranged in the parking area to know about the driver readiness info. Upon driver swipe, NFC readers will contact the SAP and assigns the unique sequence number for truck processing. Upon successful driver readiness, S&D officer will get the vehicle details in S&D queue, like ERV number and its combinations. Loading information, like provisional loads or indents, are available. S&D officer is having all the vehicle loading and unloading details before it leaves to the parking area. S&D have the option to call the vehicles based on the combinations or based on the seniority. Checkbox is provided to select the required vehicle. Upon selection, queue button is provided to call the vehicles. S&D can decide to call the vehicle only for unloading or for both the loading and unloading. 6x4 LED display is provided to notify the drivers about the S&D called and driver readiness vehicles list. Based on the information display, drivers will leave the parking area. Dummy planning facility is provided in iSAP system to handle the trucks if the indents are not available. In planning screen, all the trucks are displayed along with the planning flag. If the trucks having planning flag F, means indents are available. If it's P, means listed vehicles are having only provisional planning. Planning flag will be empty if the planning is not available. Dummy planning screen will open once we click on the vehicle number. Vehicle details are shown in the screen like truck number, SAP sequence number and truck validity. Combinations are listed in the screen. Officer can select the required planning combination to process the vehicles. Called vehicles will be processed at the parking exit. Boom barriers will open if the vehicle is having ERV and loading information, and these vehicle gate status will be updated to SAP using services. Vehicle will move to the main gate for security check. Main gate security is having the console to process the security checks. All the called vehicles are listed in the main gate console. Security checks list will open when security clicks on the vehicle number. There are security checklists pulled from the SAP. Security is having option to unselect the checkpoint if the vehicle is not meeting. Unselected checkpoints information will be pushed to the SAP and main gate security will return the vehicle. Main gate status information will be pushed to the SAP. Main gate entry boom barrier will open if the SAP gives the security check response as pass. Such a vehicles will be pushed to second gate. Second gate security is provided with the Android-based 14-inch display. Security will click on the vehicle number and updates the physical quantities of the safety caps and cylinders. Upon security physical confirmation, loading advice will be printed. Driver will collect the loading slip and confirms on the NFC device to push second gate status to SAP. Boom barrier will open and vehicle will move to the unloading point. Flame-proof device is arranged in the unloading point. ERV acknowledge will be auto-pushed to SAP upon driver swipe. Android-based 14-inch screen is arranged at the loading area. Loading confirmation will be pushed to SAP upon driver and loading area security confirmation. After successful invoicing, vehicle will be processed at the second gate out. Driver will swipe on NFC to push the status to SAP and boom barriers will open only if the gate open command is generated from the SAP. Manual records are eliminated from all the gates. S&D automation system is having all the old reports including security checks. Day-wise in and out summary is provided in the reports based on the type of cylinder. And also safety cap shortages, ERV defectives, gas shortage information is given for the ERV reference versus physical reference. Security will issue the NFC card to the bulk vehicles at the parking in and vehicle information will also be entered into the ISAP. Vehicles will be allowed to the main gate up on successful security confirmation. Weighbridge is integrated with SAP and ISAP systems. Driver will place the vehicle on the weighbridge and reaches to the weighment confirmation pole. Weighment slip will be generated up on the driver's swipe on the weighment pole. It will be containing first weighment, second weighment, invoice number, material code, from which plant it is coming, and SAP sequence information. Bulk console is provided to the S&D including first and second weighments, material details. Vehicle numbers will be shown in green color if the difference between the invoice quantity and physical quantity is less than 40 kilograms. Bulk vehicle details summary will open up on clicking on the vehicle number. Auto unloading and loading confirmations will be pushed to the SAP if the loss is less than 40 kilograms, else S&D confirmation is required and it will be manual push in the ISAP system. Daily bulk reports are segregated based on the material code and its vehicle list under the material code. A comparison is given for invoice quantity and net quantity. S&D automation work completed on 31st May 2021 on DBP, resulting. Truck's license information will be checked at parking and only valid vehicles will allowed. Queue will be managed based on the entry and S&D has a provision to pick the required trucks. Automatic loading slip will be generated at the second gate up on SG security confirmation. Auto ERV acknowledge and loading acknowledge will happen upon driver confirmation at pole. Auto invoicing will happen up on the loading area security confirmation. Collecting all the records digitally and online sync is available for the stakeholders. Maintaining audit logs for the security checks and vehicle headcount and tracking of TT crew with NFC device issued to the driver. Seamless integration to boom barrier to open the valid trucks. Real-time data will be available 24/7. Reduce in the vehicle turn-around time to complement the evergreen productions. Estimated vehicle turn-around time is approximately 2 hours. Thanks for watching.